All right, guys, today I want to show you a proper install of a Navien 180A. Start off with the gas line right here. You're going to upsize your pipe from 1/2 inch to 3/4 and use a full port gas valve. If you undersize the gas valve, you can starve the unit. You want to definitely install the biggest gas flex that you can find. It's rated for 199,000 BTUs. Into the bottom with a drip leg. I always put the drip leg as closest to the unit as possible. The temperature and pressure relief line that we installed, the outlet was higher, so we ended up relocating the TMP valve closer to the wall, so then it's gravity fed beyond that point. We got all new piping, escutcheons. We supported the unit on unistrut and anchored that really good to the wall with some 3-inch wood screws, and then we used spring nuts, cap bolts to anchor the flange to the unistrut, so everything is nice and solid. And then you know, the piping isn't just free floating like a lot of the units that we see. Everything is nice and solid and rigid, and it just helps firm everything up so nothing's ever going to fall off the wall. A lot of times I'll see guys just zip in a bunch of wood screws onto the flange with no anchors or anything, and units are really loose. Installed ST1 expansion tank here to help with thermal expansion. Main shutoff valve there. Isolation valves, hot and cold, so you can flush this thing out. Manufacturer recommends annually. If you don't have a water softener, you can usually get away with every couple of years if you do have a water softener. But yeah, we got it set up with the Grundfos crossover bypass valve that gets installed in the furthest fixture away, and that'll allow the unit to recirculate, and you get that instant hot water. I wouldn't say it's instant, but within usually about 5 seconds, you're gonna have hot water with the recirc feature always on. But yeah, this is the unit, the display. You can change your temperature from 98 degrees all the way up to 140 degrees with just the press of a button. But yeah, paired with a good filtration system, these units should last every bit of 20 years. I've installed going on a couple hundred of these units over the years, and with a little bit of proper maintenance, they can last way longer than your standard water heater and provide you with an infinite supply of hot water. Another thing you want to look for if you're either installing one of these or you've had one installed at your house, this line up here is the intake, so that's going to draw fresh air, and then this unit or this pipe here is the exhaust, and we run that through your existing B vent. And so the reason why it's so important to do this properly is because condensation forms inside this PVC line, and if you were to just hook directly from here up to here with a fern kill, this whole piece of pipe and fitting right there is going to rust out, start leaking down rusty water all over the unit and the ground. And then it also does run back down through the unit. It's not good for the unit to have that rusty water, so that's why you run PVC all the way through. You use the B vent as a sleeve, and then I'll show you what we did on the roof to terminate it. That's the old water heater, 50-gallon gas. But yeah, just install a 4x2 Fernco up there, and then build a little candy cane. And that's how it terminates out the roof. You can also go out the sidewall and drill a hole, but I think it looks a little ugly. I'd rather it come up out of the roof, less noticeable. But this is how you want your installation to look. I run into a lot of units that people have undersized gas lines, and you know, not just put the proper equipment in, installing the wrong unit, you know, outdoor units inside homes, and not piping the condensate out and piping the condensate into the wrong direction. So yeah, I've installed so many of these over the years that kind of just got it down pat. But yeah, if you guys are interested in a new tankless water heater, give us a call at 480-369-5679. Come out, get you a free estimate. Got a couple of different options. We also offer, we didn't install this unit here, but we have some really good water filtration systems that will help protect not only the rest of your home, but the new water heater that we install, and the plumbing system. So, all right, give us a call. Appreciate it. We'll catch you on the next one, guys.